everyone, it's Marky. Today I just wanted to talk about this AMBOR Laptop Backpack. So this is great for so many reasons. One of my favorite reasons is the anti-theft system it has on it. If you can see right here, it actually has a combination lock. So all you do is you will hook these double zippers straight into these little prongs right here. You just push that, it opens it up, and you stick the zippers right inside and then set your combination so then no one can open your zippers and get into your laptop or your other things that you have in there. So I just love that. That is my absolute favorite part. It also has 3 main pockets, this big one right here on top, which I will show you. And then I do love that it has double zippers. I think they're a little bit more reinforced than the standard single zipper. On the inside here, it does have this main pouch, and then back here is where you're going to put your laptop. It has Velcro to secure it, so your laptop's not just loose all over inside your bag. It also has a little zipper pocket right here in the front to store smaller things. And then it does have this main front, or not main pocket, but front pocket as well. And it also has the double zipper. So on the inside here, it has a zipper right here where you can store things, and then it also has a place where you can put smaller things like a tablet, pencils, you know, just anything that you're gonna need. It is made with really strong nylon, so it is tear resistant. The straps themselves are actually really strong. I know that if you're carrying a backpack like this, a lot of the times it does get a little bit heavy, and so I like that it's made with material that you don't have to worry about it tearing. The straps are padded, so it's comfortable, and then they are also adjustable, so you can make it fit how you want it to. It also does have a side pocket right here, which is a little cup holder. It has a USB and headphone port right here. So if you want to get like a charging block and put it on the inside, you totally can. It has the cord included, if I can find it, with a USB or a standard jack. So really, really versatile depending on what you want to do with it. It's also water resistant, so you don't have to worry about your laptop getting wet, or if you have a tablet or anything, even clothes. Maybe you're taking it hiking and you're putting your clothes and jacket in here or something. I think it's really durable. I think it's a good, sleek design. I really, really like it. Perfect for somebody who's either going to school, works in an office, and has to bring their laptop or their work home with them. I think that it would be great for any of those reasons. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.